Hey, what's good, family? In this video, we're going to be taking a look at this play that ran on the SPY today, and I'm going to be showing you a couple different ways that it could have been caught. And real quick, before we get into it, please be sure to smash the like button. It really helps us support the channel. This video is brought to you by Moomoo. At the time of this recording, Moomoo is offering an 8.1% APY on all uninvested cash and up to 60 free stocks when you sign up and make a deposit. And if for some reason you're not familiar with Moomoo, Moomoo is a worldwide brokerage, and it more than likely has something for you, whether you are beginner or more seasoned investor. Let me show you just how easy it can be to run company analysis in Moomoo. Let's say I was thinking about buying Apple stock. I would click on Apple or search Apple up. I can click on company, and just like that, I already have the financials right here. I can swipe down, see all this other data. If I want to take a look and see who are the shareholders, I can click on shareholders. I can also look at kind of their dividend payouts. I can see that the dividend yield has come down over time, but I can see that the dividend payout has increased over time. There's a lot more analysis and numbers to look at as well, but this is just scratching the surface. So here we are. To those of you unfamiliar with this platform is called TradingView. And what's going on is we are looking at the charts. This is how we actually follow the price of a stock. This isn't where I execute the trades, but this is how I watch the stocks. All right, so looking at it here, I'm going to mark where the market opened today. So the first candle of market open was right here. And the market is still open right now. It's 1:15 Central Time. The market closes in about an hour and 45 minutes. So it's still open right now, but I want to show you that ever since 10:45 Central Time, the market has pretty much been on the run. So I was just looking at it. I didn't take this trade personally, but I looked at it and realized, oh, there was a simple trade right there I could have taken advantage of. All right, so if you saw my video yesterday talking about the ranges and whatnot, this will make sense to you. If not, hey, be sure to check out that video right there, or just go on my channel and watch the video from yesterday, and you'll see where I talk about range and how you can kind of figure out which way you can trade. But with that going on, this kind of builds on that. So this morning, we can see we kind of formed a range right here. Let me draw it for you. So right here, we have the range, and that's just because we have one consistent movement here. And then we kind of traded sideways for a bit for these candles. So right here, we were in this range, and then we kind of broke. So if we go back and look at it, I have another video talking about my favorite strategy to trade, which is basically a sweep of liquidity. If you haven't seen that, hey, be sure to check that one out too. I think it's called The Only Trading Strategy I Need, or anything like that. It's legit my favorite and go-to strategy because it yields moves like this. But I can see that there is liquidity right here. And what I typically do is I'll draw a line out from where the liquidity is, and I'll look for price to kind of stop there and then go. I'll look for it to take out the high. So right here, ideally, my entry would have been right here on this green line. And from that entry, as of so far, the stock has ran an additional $1.77, pretty much from 635 to 637. It's been money. It's been up, and it hasn't really stopped. It looks like it may be slowing down now, but it's been up and it hasn't stopped. All right, so that's one strategy right there. Is we got a sweep of liquidity, and we entered on that sweep of liquidity, and we just rode. Honestly, I probably would have gotten out about right here at this level because it kind of looked a little sideways. So I probably would have gotten out about here and rode like $1.24. But either way, yo, that's money. All right. The next strategy that could have led to this also was a break and retest. So if we kind of look at the levels for the day, just starting out, we can see that we had some resistance around this area, and we had support kind of in this area. So when it comes to looking at that and noticing that, this morning we touched support, and then we broke resistance. So this next strategy is what's referred to as a break and retest. So right here, we broke the trend. And then oftentimes after we break a trend line, we'll come back to retest. And if the retest holds, if it's solid, then we'll just kind of run. And that's when we get our real move. So that right there, that's two different ways you could have caught the run on the SPY today. If you found this video to be helpful or learn anything, be sure to smash the like button. If for some reason you're new here and haven't already, be sure to subscribe. And last, but certainly not least, thank you so much for watching. Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life.